Hello everybody. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use smart shapes as buttons in master slides. Yes, we can actually convert the smart shapes as an interactive object and place them in the master slide so that we can use them as navigational elements across all the slides. In this project I'm having few slides which are sharing the same master slide, and I have a requirement to place the navigation buttons on the slides. Instead of placing them on the slide, the film slide, I can place the buttons in the master slide. And as you know that our regular buttons cannot be added into the master slide, so I'm using the power of smart shape to convert it as a button and use it in the master slide. Let's do that. For this given slide, the master slide name is captions and content left. So let me just pick the same master slide here, and then let me draw a smart shape. In this case, I'm selecting an oval and I'm drawing it here. As I had explained earlier in my earlier tutorial about smart shapes, we can use smart shapes as container for text or images. Now I'm going to explain you how we can use a custom image to fill inside a smart shape and then make it look like a button. For doing that, what we need to do is click on the fill icon, and then the third one in that is a texture fill. Yes, it's a new addition in Captivate 6 where for any given object we can have a texture fill or an image fill. So I'm selecting texture fill, and I can always pick any of the existing textures, or I can select a custom image. Let me select a custom image and select an image from the library which I have already imported, which is called next_up.png. Click OK, and if you observe, my button is ready on the master slide, and this is a smart shape with an image fill. And to convert that as a button, I just have to click use as a button in my properties panel. As soon as I select use as a button, the action accordion rolls out, and in that, on success, by default it says go to next slide, which is fine in this case. Now I need to create another button for the previous slide action. Instead of drawing another smart shape, what I'm going to do is duplicate the existing smart shape, duplicate it, and then position it and change the image fill. How to change the image fill? Select the smart shape, and then in the fill icon, when I click, I'm taken to the options for the texture fill. In that custom image, I'm going to change this as previous_up.png. Click OK. So as you see, my smart shape is filled with the custom image. Now I need to change the on success action. So I'm changing it to go to previous slide. Let's see whether the same thing is applied on the film strip as well. As I had mentioned earlier, there are 4 slides which have the master slide associated. Now this is my first slide, and if you can see, the buttons are visible here, and the second slide, and the third, and the fourth. Isn't it easy that you don't have to create the buttons on every slide and associate it with master slide? Let me give you another very important element here, which is on my master slide, when I select a smart shape which is converted as a button, you have to make sure that you enable a couple of options. The first one is enable the hand cursor, so that whenever the learner takes the mouse above that or over that, then the mouse cursor changes to a hand cursor. And second one, which is very important one, is pause project until user clicks. This means whenever there is a slide which has a master slide and there is a smart shape embedded in that, then the slide will pause until the user clicks the button. That is very important, right? I'm going to do the same thing for my next button as well. Enable the hand cursor and pause project until the user clicks. I hope this was useful. Now we can see a lot of time being saved because we can now have interactive smart shape in the master slide. Thank you.